The future Spotify Camp Nou is evolving at an incredible speed, and today's update shows just how massive the transformation has become. New steel structures are rising higher around the stadium. Facade installation work is accelerating, and construction crews are now pushing forward across multiple areas at the same time. From major roof progress to intense activity on the upper levels and interior zones, the stadium is starting to look more complete with every passing day. So let's dive into today's update and see what's happening on site right now. Construction on the compression ring continues moving at an impressive speed around the stadium. Another steel box section has now been successfully installed in the curved corner between the lateral side and south goal, bringing the total close to 30 completed boxes out of the planned 124. The tower crane continued operating as workers carefully guided the new steel section into position. The installation required absolute precision as every connection point had to align perfectly with the radial beam and surrounding structure. After several adjustments, the box was finally lowered into place and secured with the first bolts. The roof structure is now growing rapidly across multiple sides of the stadium. More radial beams, steel pillars, and support sections are appearing every week as the construction teams continue working at a very aggressive pace. The tower cranes remain extremely active throughout the site, constantly lifting new materials and structural elements into position. Large support bases and steel sections are already prepared in several areas, allowing the crews to continue expanding the ring without delays. From different viewpoints around the stadium, the curved shape of the future roof is becoming easier to recognize. The structure now stretches much further around the bowl, and by the end of summer, a massive portion of the compression ring could already be completed. Inside the VIP ring, construction is entering a much more advanced stage. Workers are now progressing far beyond the structural phase, with visible work taking place on walls, interiors, ceilings, and technical systems. Blue wall panels and insulation materials can now be seen across multiple sections, while aluminum framing continues expanding throughout the corridors and hospitality areas. Ventilation pipes, electrical systems, and cable infrastructure are also spreading rapidly above the ceilings. The lateral side remains one of the busiest zones of the entire project. Activity around the diamond facade continues increasing after the recent concrete pouring operations. Workers have already removed several formwork panels, revealing newly completed concrete walls inside the structure. Reinforcement cages for additional pillars are now being assembled while construction teams continue preparing more vertical supports around the area. The tower cranes continue delivering steel pieces, radial beams, and construction materials throughout the lateral zone, where progress is now becoming more noticeable every single day. This side of the stadium is expected to become one of the most visually impressive areas once the facade and surrounding structures are fully completed. Progress is also continuing on the ceramic slat installation systems around the stadium facade. More support anchors and mounting structures are now visible, especially around south goal and the lateral sections. Several areas already appear almost ready for the final ceramic slats, while workers continue preparing the remaining support infrastructure underneath the facade. At the current pace, the first major completed areas with ceramic slats could begin appearing before the end of summer, which would dramatically change the exterior appearance of the stadium. Now that official matches are finished, construction teams finally have complete access to the third tier without needing to clear areas for matchday operations. This is expected to significantly accelerate progress throughout the upper bowl. New stair alignments are already visible in several sections, while structural work continues expanding across different parts of the third tier. The lateral side currently appears slightly more advanced than other areas, although steady work continues around the rest of the upper structure as well. At North Goal, preparations are continuing for more compression ring installations. Additional support bases, radial beams, and working platforms are already positioned for the next phases of the roof structure. Workers can also be seen operating across several upper-level sections as materials continue arriving through the crane systems. Activity around North Goal remained constant throughout the day. The roof skeleton is now becoming increasingly visible from this side of the stadium, showing how quickly the structure is expanding around the bowl. Work also continues progressing around the Tribuna side of the stadium, especially near the second overhang and hospitality areas. Construction teams are actively building bathrooms, technical rooms, and service spaces using concrete block walls and interior support systems. Multiple platforms remain active throughout the area as workers continue advancing the internal infrastructure. Material deliveries and technical installations continued throughout the day. The Tribuna side is still expected to become one of the most premium and visually important sections once the redevelopment is completed. Construction activity remains very intense across the upper levels of the stadium, especially around the Lateral side and Goal Sur sectors. Multiple workers are currently operating near the roof structure where protective barriers, steel trusses, and temporary support systems continue expanding across the upper ring. At the second cantilever level, crews have started removing temporary support props in several sections of Goal Sur. This is an important sign because it shows that parts of the structure are now stable enough to support themselves without additional temporary reinforcement. Elevated platforms are still active around the cantilever beams where workers continue adjustment and finishing operations. Grinding and surface preparation work can also be seen across parts of the Lateral side as crews prepare structural sections for the next construction phases. The first cantilever level remains heavily filled with construction material and newly delivered structural components. Green steel pieces recently brought to the site are now visible throughout several interior storage zones around the stadium. Inside the VIP corridors and internal circulation areas, workers continue performing installation tasks using elevated platforms. The interior pathways and service passages are slowly beginning to look more organized as construction progresses deeper into the stadium structure. Major progress is now visible in the lamella preparation works at Goal Sur. Workers are actively installing alignment guide systems between anchor points, a critical step before the final red lamellas can be mounted onto the facade. Support brackets, anchors, and mounting systems are now expanding across multiple sectors after weeks of slower activity. Construction teams are clearly accelerating facade preparation work, with several new sections now approaching full lamella installation readiness. The corner section between Goal Sur and Tribuna continues becoming one of the busiest structural zones of the entire project. Large steel trusses, radial beams, pillars, and compression ring components are now visible throughout the entire corner area. Several structural pieces are already staged nearby, waiting for installation while cranes continue moving support systems and steel elements into position. Temporary truss frameworks are also expanding rapidly around the corner to prepare for the next roof assembly phase. At Goal Norte, facade installation work continues advancing quickly across multiple sectors. The latest red lamellas have already been installed along the frontal false ceiling area, while workers continue extending installations toward nearby bracket sections. At the same time, crews are painting exposed bolts and steel elements across the upper structure using protective coatings before more facade sections are installed. Alignment guidelines are now visible across several false ceiling areas, confirming that new lamella installation phases will begin very soon. In the final corner section near Tribuna, workers have now installed the first new lamella support brackets that were not present previously. This is another important development because the entire area is already filled with vertical connection systems prepared for future support installation. Elevated platforms remain active throughout this corner while crews continue welding, beamwork, and structural adjustments inside the rear framework. Additional activity can also be seen around the piston areas and upper cantilever sections where finishing and reinforcement work is still ongoing. The Spotify Camp Nou project continues advancing rapidly across all major construction zones. Roof assembly, facade preparation, structural reinforcement, and interior work are all progressing simultaneously as construction teams maintain strong momentum around the stadium. With compression ring activity increasing, lamella installation accelerating, and new structural sections appearing almost daily, the future Camp Nou is continuing its transformation into one of the most impressive stadium projects in the world.